Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys, and today we're installing spacers on our Infiniti Q60. But before I get into the video, guys, please add me at Boost in Motion on IG, Facebook, and boostinmotion@gmail.com. Otherwise than that, guys, hit the intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. So welcome back everybody. So we're installing spacers on our Q60. Now these are 30mm spacers, which I'm going to use with the stock Red Sport wheels. Now I've definitely installed spacers in the past on mostly all my vehicles, from Q60 to my two Q50s to my G37, my Maximas, so on and so forth. So I'm well aware of the safety and the precautions that needed to be done. So you guys want to have this type of install, and if you want to run spacers like this, hopefully I'll put a link below to when I bought these spacers. But I bought these spacers a long time ago. You can go to Z1 Motorsports, any aftermarket site that sells hub-centric spacers. Remember guys, get hub-centric spacers. This little hub-centric thing has this little lip here, right? And it has the same lip here. If it doesn't have the lip, do not install it, and make sure you get it for the Infiniti and Nissan platform. Anyways, let's jump into it. All right, buddy, so this is a Z1 Motor spacer. I bought these spacers like years ago. So this one's a 30mm. Now they come with these open, I would say open-ended lug nuts, so that when you screw it on, it can go all the way in. Now, make sure that it's flush, and see why you have that lip, so that there's no space in between, because if there's any space in between back and forth, you'll get a lot of shaking in the front of the steering wheel. I already started hand tightening the lug nuts here. Now, if it's a Nissan Infiniti vehicle, I believe the torque spec is about 87 to 90 foot-pounds. I'm going to use my torque wrench or ratchet, whatever you want to call it, to tighten this. But I'm going to put this on with the gun first, and then I'm going to tighten it to about 90 foot-pounds, maybe even 100. I'll probably do it to 90 foot-pounds for these lug nuts, and then we're going to put the wheels on. Now, I'm not going to do every single one on video because it's the same thing for all. As long as you do it properly, hand tighten them, make sure these are tightened, then you torque it. Also, when you're torquing it, right? Because you guys are like, how are you going to torque it? Because if you try to torque it, the wheel is going to want to turn. What you do is you either stick a flathead or any kind of screwdriver, well, it depends on which direction, you'll put it in the holes or the veins of the rotor, and then when you go to tighten it, the rotor would want to rotate, and this will hold it in place from spinning, and then you'll be able to torque all the four wheels. So I'm just going to do this briefly. I'm not really going to show you a video. It's simple and easy to do, and I'm going to show you the end result. Yeah, this video is going to be super short, plus I'm also installing coilovers in this video, so definitely check out my coilover install video for this car. I don't know when it's going to be coming out, but also if you can't wait, you can also check out my coilover install video for my last two Q50s. All right, well, outside of that, let me show you guys the end result. All right guys, so now this is with the spacers on. Yeah guys, it is so much more flush with the front side of the car. Let's take a look at the next side. Yep. Now you guys are gonna make fun of me. We can't talk about the back right now because I'm running into an issue with the suspension. So, but it is flush, but once the car gets a little lower, it will camber in a little bit and it will be perfect. But otherwise than that, guys, yes, I do have the spacers on the front of the car and the rear of the car. Once the suspension's fixed in the rear, the car is going to look perfect. But outside of that, guys, this was a quick and easy spacer install. You know, I know this don't look that nice. I'll give an update in another video, so just hang in there, wait for that. But outside of that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you guys so much. I know I don't like this. I know I don't like this. It needs to go down. This needs to go down now. You guys have a good day. Thank you everybody for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost in Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you.